Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Crystal Clear Curls. I am Crystal. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to do this video just a little bit different than I normally do it. I already filmed this video and this will be mostly voiceover, but it is on these products that were sent to me by Function of Beauty Pro. And these specific ones are for coily hair. They have one for straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair, coily hair. And I got the coily hair, and they also came with different hair gold concentrates. You will see more about it in the video to come, and I will come back at the end and just kind of round up my thoughts. Let's go. This is the Function of Beauty Pro Bond Repair Custom Shampoo and Conditioner Mask, along with 4 hair gold concentrates: the Shine Queen, the Hydration Pro, the Moisture Shot, and the Curl Executive. Now for the shampoo, I decided to use the Hydration Pro, which is formulated for scalp hydration or for a dry, itchy scalp. Now they come in these cute little packages in the shape of an F. You break the seal and pour it right into the shampoo bottle, replace the cap, and shake to mix it in well. The top is a cute little twist top, and I am pouring it into my hands, and right off the bat it has a very creamy texture, and the smell of it it's pretty faint. It's not really noticeable at all. Now as I start to work the shampoo in, I am really liking the consistency and how it feels on my hair. As you can see, it's also allowing me to kind of really get my fingers through my hair as well, and I can do some finger detangling. Now the highlighted ingredient is their adaptive F3 bonding complex, and this technology is supposed to directly target damage on each hair strand to rebuild bonds and reduce breakage. I enjoyed using this shampoo. It doesn't take a lot to impress me with the shampoo. Just I don't want it to tangle my hair. I want to be able to do some light detangling, and I wanted to leave my hair feeling clean, and it did just that. And now I'm going in with the Bond Repair Custom Conditioner Mask for coily hair, and I decided to pair it with the Shine Queen and the Moisture Shot Hair Gold Concentrates. And it comes with this little spatula to help mix in the mixtures. So even though the Shine Queen Hair Gold Concentrate, it kind of says that it's especially recommended for straight and wavy hair to boost their natural shine, but I wanted to use it for myself as well. And then I went in with the Moisture Shot. No need for any kind of explanation. We need the moisture. The conditioner mask has a silky yet creamy texture, and it spreads very well. It wasn't too thick, but not too thin. And as you can see, it's really seeping into my strands, and it had a nice smell. Kind of the same as the shampoo, not too strong, but a nice smell. Now it says this mask is formulated to support curl definition and reduce frizz, and I would have to say that I agree with that. Now the adaptive bonding complex that's in here says that it repairs mechanical, chemical, and heat damage, promoting stronger and more resilient hair. Now I can't substantiate those claims, of course, after one use, but what I can say is this wash day, I lost less hair than I had been losing prior wash days before. Prior wash days before, I was starting to get a little concerned at how much hair I was losing in the shower. Shedding, breakage, whatever. I can truly say that I saw less breakage and less shedding this time. Whether that has something to do with this or what I used previously, I don't know. All I know is I was glad to see it. And it had pretty good slip on its own, but because it is a more concentrated formula, adding water made it even better. So now upon washing it out, I really loved how soft my hair was, And as you can see, it's even shining, and the curls, of course, are curling. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot more, especially since I'm planning to blow my hair out more this year, and I think this is just the duo that I need for it. So as you can see, I had a very good wash day. These two products I will definitely be using again. And so I'm planning on getting more into bonding treatments this year. And this one has its own bonding complex in it. But the good thing about it is it's not something you have to wait for like a treatment day. You can use this shampoo and conditioner on any wash day. I really liked how my curls looked after washing it out. How my curls felt. I really like it, and I'm really probably going to be reaching for it when I have those times of neglect, as y'all know I have every now and then, because I do believe it would help like bring my hair back to where it's supposed to be. But other than that, let me know down below if you have ever tried these products or if you plan to. I'm not sure if I said this earlier, but these products are available at Sephora. And you know, the Sephora sale going on now, so do with that what you will. But this is the end of the video. I can't wait to come back and share me styling these twists. See y'all later. Bye.